What is good, my people? Welcome back to another gem. Today I have some fire information for y'all. What I'm about to share with you guys can be used if you're new to Coinbase or if you already have a Coinbase account. You probably never even knew about this. I'm about to show y'all how y'all can get some free money for doing absolutely now I'm not gonna say nothing, but the bare minimum. I'm finna show y'all exactly how to do it. So like the video right now and let's get right into this. So before we get into this, I want you guys to know this is no gimmicks, this is no foo-foo, this is no weird stuff. I'm literally gonna tell you guys exactly how to get some free cryptocurrency for doing a little bit of work. I literally just did this with my girlfriend's account. I did it with my account. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it for y'all account. Like I said, this is for anybody if you're new, or if you already have an account, you might not even know this was an option for you. So first, what you're gonna wanna do, well, first of all, click the link inside the description. It's the second link, sign up for Coinbase. If you sign up and deposit $100, you'll get $10 worth of Bitcoin. So that is one way you get some free money, but you need money for that one. But you can deposit the $100 and then get your $10 free worth of Bitcoin and take the $100 out. Ultimate finesse. And while we're just talking about getting free stuff, you might as well use the first link inside my description. Sign up for Webull. If you deposit $100 in Webull, you have a chance of winning $1,400, getting 2 stocks valued up to $1,400. So I'm just trying to put you on game, you feel me? Free money all around. I know everybody cannot or does not have a lot of capital to start investing into things. A lot of people always ask me, how can I get started if I don't have a lot of money? I'm gonna show you how I can get started with zero money right now. So the first thing you wanna do is download Coinbase or go to coinbase.com, honestly, or, well, not or, click the link inside my description, sign up there, because then when you sign up and you do end up depositing money, you can deposit money whenever you want. You don't have to do it now. But when you do end up depositing money, you will get $10 free worth of Bitcoin. So you might as well use my link. I'm gonna get some money too, but hey, everybody eats, right? So once you have Coinbase installed or whatever, this is what the app looks like right there. So if you see any other app, do not download, it's a scam. This one, as soon as you type in Coinbase on the App Store or the Google Play Store, I hope you have an iPhone. That would be smart. You don't need an iPhone, but how you go fake? Never mind, I ain't even finna talk about it. So once you download the app or go on the website and create an account, this is where the fun begins. I know y'all have probably worked a job, or if you haven't worked a job already, maybe you're younger, minimum wage is like what? In Jersey, I think it's $8.75, something stupid like that. $8.75 an hour, right? I'm gonna show you how y'all can make way more than that for doing half an hour. Well, it's actually calculated as 35 minutes of work and making way more than minimum wage for that little bit amount of time doing really the bare minimum. Like I said, there's no foo-foo, it's no gimmicks, it's nothing crazy. All you have to do is watch the video to the end so you can see every single way you can make, or I'm saying make money, like you actually gotta do mad work, how you can receive this free crypto, you feel me? And yeah, let's get right into it for real this time. So once you're on your home screen, you're gonna wanna scroll all the way down to the bottom to where it says rewards right here and press on it. Now here it's gonna be full of mad different ways for you to make money, literally by just watching videos, reading forums, inviting friends. It's a bunch of different things, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do everything and how simple it is for you guys to get started so you have some easy money to start investing in. Also, a lot of people always ask me if I'm underage, how can I get into crypto? How can I get into stocks or investing and stuff like that? I said it in one of my earlier videos, but if you do not know, you can have a parent or guardian create an account for you. And if you, let's say you have like 20 bucks that you got for your birthday and you want to put money into it, have your parents, either anybody that's over the age of 18, have them make an account for you. You give them the cash money, whatever you have that you want to invest into it, and they'll put it in there for you. So that way you can start investing, whether you're 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, no matter how old you are. If you're underage, you can start investing and you can get these free rewards if you're underage. So on this page, there are a bunch of different ways for you to earn literally free money. Like right here, you see scale, it says earn $3 worth of scale. Ample growth, it says earn $3 worth. And just keep scrolling down, there's a bunch of different things you can do to literally just earn money, and all you have to do is watch these videos. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it is, what's the steps, the process, and how to do it. Like I said, I literally just did it for my girlfriend, got her all this money, and yeah. So let's say we're trying to get scale right now. There's 3 different videos that you can watch. You can watch this one where it basically just talks about what scale is, and these videos are short. If you look closely at the bottom next to earns $1 of SKL, it says 1 minute. All of these are very short. I think the longest one here is 3 minutes maybe, yeah. For compound, they're 3 minutes. For Stellar Lumens, for XLM, they're 2 minutes. So let's talk about scale now. Let's say we're to click the first one. What is Scale Network? So this is what pops up. Scale is a Web3 cloud that allows any application to deploy its own blockchain. You see at the top, this is like an Instagram. So you see at the top, you can skip through it. Look, I'm skipping through it right now. I don't even gotta really pay attention to this crap. Well, not crap, because it is teaching about the coin. You do want to know about the coin, but I'm just here to show y'all how y'all get some free bread. I know y'all don't really care about this stuff, but you should, because this coin right here is actually pretty good. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I'll get into that in another video. But I know you see take quiz in the bottom of the screen. Do not be alarmed. This is an easy quiz. These quizzes are not some 4.0 GPA, Harvard graduate, Yale University acceptance type thing. These quizzes is mad easy. Like literally, you see all these little 5 slides, you skip through it. Scale and prayer, customizable, high scalable, 1,000 fast blockchains, blah, blah, take quiz. It's going to ask you a bunch of different, well not a bunch, I believe it's like 3 different questions, or maybe some of them is only 1 question and some of them is like 2 questions. And let's say you don't know the answer. This one right here is 3 questions, but let's say you don't know the answer, right? You see in this, you don't know what the heck the answer is. Press the back button, man. Go back. It says scales web cloud on blockchain, take quiz. It is a, well that wasn't it. Who can deploy scale? It's an Ethereum application, I believe. Boom, easy, aced it. Just got $1 for pressing 2 buttons. How long did that take me? 2 seconds. The only reason it took me longer is because I was explaining it to y'all. But when y'all go inside the app, right, or go on the website, you literally just have to go, next video, boom. Now some of them are not just the slide thingies, some of them are video. So again, right here, we have the next one. Scales powered by SKL tokens. SKL creates incentives to ensure sale, boom, 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 all this stuff, you feel me, take quiz. If you don't know the answer, let's say I guess something. Can scale holders receive rewards? I'm just gonna guess it's a thing. I don't know if this is the answer, submit. That's not it. You ever seen a school or a test that lets you try again? I'm going all down the line. I'm gonna keep going down the line until I get it right. Keep going down the line. One more time. Easy, $1. This is easy stuff, you feel me? I'm teaching y'all a game. I just made $2 in 2 seconds. Now you could keep, literally, I'm telling y'all, this is an easy way for y'all to make money. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna go through all of these. Let me just do this last one, hold on. Let me guess this. I guessed, easy. I'm a genius at this point. I don't even know what the heck I'm doing. I'm a genius. So I showed you guys how you do the scale. There's all these other ones. You can do Forth, you can do GRT, you can do Comp, you could do Stellar Lumens, all of these different ones, and they literally all take 2 freaking seconds and you'll just get free money deposited into your account. Now I can't show y'all my account because this is one of my actual Coinbase accounts, but I can show you guys the fact that these coins are actually valuable coins. These are not trash coins. These are not coins that don't do anything. Like that scale one that we was just looking at, right? If we pull up their chart, each scale is worth 39 cents right now. So we got $1 worth of it, so that means we got a little more than 2 scale tokens. In the past year, it's up 866%. That is ridiculous. That is literally, if you had put, let's say it started off at 4 cents before, right? And it went all the way up to $1.22, and now it was a big crash yesterday. If you guys did not watch my video 2 days ago about the big crypto crash, what it meant, you're gonna wanna go watch that. I kind of explained why the market crashed a little bit. It was just a little retracement, not to be scared of. Crypto is still going to the freaking moon. But like I'm saying, these are not crap coins. These are not trash coins, throwaway coins that do not make money. These are valuable coins. If you hold these coins, you will make money on them. But our thing is to actually get into investing into crypto. But this free money that we're getting now is to kind of jumpstart our way into it. So if you need to know how you can get started in crypto, how you can make more money, how you can invest your money, which coins you should invest into, you're gonna want to watch my video on how you can get started with crypto and how you can start making money on crypto, because I go more depth into that. This video is explaining how you guys can get some free money so you can get started if you have no money, if you're too young, or if you just want some free extra money. So that's the first way you can get money. The second way, listen, we all got friends, I hope. If you don't have friends, you got parents, you got aunts, uncles, cousins, you got somebody that you know. All you're gonna do is come here, scroll all the way down to where it says invite friends. You're gonna get $10 worth of Bitcoin. The same thing I told you guys to do for me, where you sign up, you can now do that to other people. It's not just for influencers, it's not for anybody that has a bunch of followers. You can have 0 followers and still use this option. Let's say you have an aunt. Yo, auntie, you want $10 real quick? She'll be like, nah, shut up. You'll be like, hey, you shut up. And then you'll show her, look, download Coinbase, use my link, you sign up, and deposit $100, you get $10 free. You could take your $100 back out and have $10 worth of Bitcoin. Literally just send it to a bunch of your friends, family members, grandparents. Man, take your grandma phone, sign up. She don't know how to use, sign up with your grandma phone. She gonna thank you in 20 years when Bitcoin's at $2 million. This is not financial advice. I'm just saying we're friends. Yeah. But back to what we were talking about. This option right here is unlimited. You can make endless amounts of money when inviting your friends, whereas the videos, there are a limit. There's only a certain amount of videos that you can watch and that they will pay you for. But with this, you can make an unlimited amount of money as long as you have enough friends, family members. As long as you can get other people to download it, you can make as much money as you want. That's another way to get free money on Coinbase. The third and last option I'm going to talk to you guys about now is something else that you can do, but this requires a little bit of money. You just have to have a little bit of money in your bank account. Basically what it is right at the top of the rewards page, it says set up, can I talk? Please. Josiah, talk. English. That would be nice. Set up recurring buy reward. With this, you can actually make $20 just for setting up a recurring buy. What that means is like if you set it, let's say every day you want to take out 20 bucks and put it into cryptocurrency. That's the recurring buy. So if you set that up, I think the lowest you can do is $10, but you can do it $10 every day or $10 every week, $10 every month, $10 2 times a month, whatever it is, you can set up that recurring buy. But once you do that, and once you meet the milestones of the 4th and 8th recurring time, you'll get $10 on the 4th time and $10 on the $4th time and $10 on the 8th time. So that's another $20 of free money. Now, after you do the recurring buy, you have money in there. You can take the money out, so if you don't want to keep the money in there, but you can keep your $20 in there that you got for free for setting it up. It's really up to you. These are just 3 simple ways where you can get free money on Coinbase. I don't know why a lot of people aren't talking about this, because this is literally to start somebody off. If you don't have money, let's say you're a broke college kid, man, you eating ramen every day, 24/7. It's starting to taste like plastic, but you still gotta eat it because you're broke. Coinbase.com. This is not a promo for Coinbase, but Coinbase.com. You feel me? Make sure you use my link in the description. I give you $10 of free Bitcoin, man. I'm trying to help you eat. I know you're a struggling college student. You don't want ramen no more. You want Chipotle. At $10 can't afford you double chicken though, or guacamole or queso. You can get a regular like rice bowl, I think. If you sweet talk the girl, she'll give you her employee discount. Anyways, y'all, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys were able to follow along, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys were ever get the money, how much money you ever get. Let me know how many friends you sent it to, if they signed up, you feel me? Just let me know in the comments down below. We just be chatting in the comments. But without further ado, I'm gonna see you on the next video. Make sure if you want 2 free stocks, use the first link inside the description, sign up for Webull. You have a chance of getting 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400. Also, if you sign up for Coinbase, second link in the description, sign up, deposit $100, you get $10 worth of Bitcoin. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Good luck.